Hi, today we're going to talk about the muscular system. Okay, let me get my volume up. Okay, so the muscular system, we have over 640 muscles in our body. Muscle makes up most of your weight, like half of your weight, and the rest is bones and skin and organs. And all of your muscles together form the muscular system. Muscle controls how is it the movement outside your body and inside your body. And for the vocabulary today, we have the word voluntary. It means something that you want to do, that you do it by your own choice, by your own will. Okay, so with muscles, muscles can be grouped in different ways. You have involuntary muscles and voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are controlled by a command from your brain. So for example, when you're gonna reach for a book, your brain tells your arm, go get the book, and your arm stretches out, gets the book, and comes back. And that happens with the arms, with the legs. So you move your body by your own will. But then there are involuntary muscles, muscles that you don't consciously control, that the brain doesn't have to think about it, at least not consciously, like your heart or your stomach or your intestines or all the muscles in your alimentary canal. They just work without you thinking about it. But then you can also group your your muscles by structure. If you can call them skeletal or striated muscles, smooth and cardiac muscles. And I'm going to explain. Okay, so striated muscles are the one here. Okay, or they are also called skeletal. They have like millions of little fibers, muscles fiber, and then they form a rope. That would be a muscles. There are over 600 muscles in your body. All of them are voluntary muscles and they need to be directed by your brain. Most of the meat that you eat, it's made of skeletal muscle, of striated muscles, like for example, chicken and regular meat, and that's a source of animal protein. And then we have smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, it's the one here, okay? And it's the one that's around your stomach, your intestine, and your arteries. Internal organs are covered with this smooth muscle. And it's simple and it's involuntary. It means that it's weaker, it's not as strong, it's thinner, not big, not bulky like striated muscles. But that's the one that moves your muscles like the ones that you have in your organs and they make them work. Because remember, for example, your stomach, it's a muscle that it's moving and it needs a type of muscle to move. And then, let me see. And then we have the cardiac muscle. That's the third type of muscle and the strongest of all. That's the muscle of your heart. It is always working so the other cells in the body don't die. Your heart beats about 70 times in 1 minute, and it beats about 36,500,000 times each year. So it's crazy how many times your heart beats. Okay, so that will be the explanation for today.